How to fix verification on Cash App. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to check how much limit you have on your Cash App. For that, you have to simply open up your profile on the top right and scroll down to this limits and click on the limits and see how much. Let's say you have a limit of receiving $500 per week and $250 per week sending limit. So you have to simply transfer money from your other banks to the Cash App. Let's say you have a limit of 500, so send above 500, let's say 600, and you will be taken directly to verify your account. So when you will be on the verification page, you need your full name, your date of birth, and your address for security purposes. So once you have verified your account, you can now send up to $1,500 and receive up to 10,000 within any 7 days period. So yeah, that's how basically you can fix verification on Cash App.